Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to share my internet connection with other device. For example, if you have your internet connection in your laptop or desktop, you want to share that internet connection to your mobile phone or any other devices. What you have to do? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, this is my laptop. This laptop has a Wi-Fi connection or a LAN connection. So in Windows 10 is beautiful option they have given there. So while you have the internet connection in your laptop, we have to share the internet connection to all the devices if they don't know the Wi-Fi password or anything else. So if you are connected in your internet connection with your laptop, so just click here the internet connection option. So I have connected Wi-Fi. So I have connected Wi-Fi or LAN, it's not a problem. So here you will find an option called a flight mode and mobile hotspot. If your laptop is connected with internet, you can share the internet to other people without sharing your Wi-Fi password. So what you have to do, so here there will be a mobile hotspot. Just right click on that and go to setting. You will find an option called go to setting. So on your mobile hotspot, just right click and just click go to. So once you click go to, automatically mobile hotspot setting will be open in your desktop. Yes, so here you will find option called share my internet connection with other devices. If you switch on this, automatically your Wi-Fi, that is your internet connection Wi-Fi, you can share with others. So how you have to find your network name and password. So I have set already network name and password. If you want to change your network name and password, it's already given the default name and password mean, just click at edit option. So you will get option, just select whatever name you want. You can give network name is HowXT and type a network password at least 1 to 8 characters. So it should have 1 to 8 characters. So you can choose a network band is there. So you want to set the band, for example 5 GHz or 2.48 GHz or any available. You can choose a bandwidth. So for example, I have given any available and click save, means automatically my mobile hotspot will be switched on. For example, I have the internet connection in my laptop. I would like to share with my friends my internet connection. It is beautiful option. Use a mobile hotspot from your laptop itself. So mobile network is switched on and password, network password and bandwidth is there. So now I would like to share how this will work with my mobile phone. For example, I don't have internet connection in my mobile phone. Yes, from my mobile I got a Wi-Fi connection of HowXT. So this is a beautiful option. So you can share your information, that is you can share your internet connection with your friends or other devices using simple steps and tricks. Again, if you want to switch off the hotspot, just click here and just select option disconnecting. So automatically your Wi-Fi will be switched off from your laptop. It's a beautiful option to you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.